Oh, thanks.
It's so pretty.
Thank you.
Like these jewels.
Mm-hmm.
And what are these? Jewels?
Mm-hmm. They're like beads.
See?
Beads.
Beads, no. What are these?
They're like beads too.
These?
Yeah.
Good.
Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. It is Saturday. This little lady and I are hanging out. We're getting ready to do her hair. We've got a full day planned, so enjoy the day with us. Remember to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and share.
Mimi.
Hi.
Mimi.
Good morning. Mimi. Yeah. Good morning, buddy. Yeah.
Daddy.
Mm-hmm. Olivia's calling for you. Guess what we're doing this morning? We're going to go meet Santa. I'm going to go see Santa's helper.
Wow.
Yeah, isn't that
Is
exciting?
it the elf?
I don't know if there's an elf, but Santa will be there, and Santa's going to ask you if you've been a good boys and girls and what you want for Christmas. But we have to do our hair.
Is he at the North Pole?
The real Santa's at the North Pole, but his Santa helper, you're going to see him in just a little bit. Isn't that exciting?
Did he say, ho, ho, ho?
He might.
Ho, ho, ho. He said that the chip. Do you want to eat our chimney?
I don't know. Maybe. Okay, so Derek is leaving with Isaiah. They're going to get Chick-fil-A for the kids for breakfast. I woke up sounding like a man today, so hopefully it doesn't get any worse. But I'm taking the kids to get Santa pictures with our photographer that we typically go to. So it's a mini session. So this ought to be interesting. I'll try to vlog while we're doing it, but I'm not sure that the photographer likes us to do that. So maybe we'll just get some pictures of that.
This is too big.
Too big. It's a dress. Oops. All right, so if you can hear me, I got this white nightgown for Livy Cakes from Etsy. And then I got Isaiah's red pajamas from Gigi and Max, which is actually out of the Quad Cities where I'm from. So it's excited to buy local and shop small, and I did for both of them. Okay, kids, let's go see Santa. Okay, you ready to go see Santa?
Yeah.
What are you going to tell Santa?
Ho, ho, ho.
Ho, ho, ho. What are you going to say, pal?
Ho, ho, ho.
Good job.
And then we're going to say, ho, ho, ho. Are you going to see Santa?
We are. We're here.
At the North Pole?
I wish this was the North Pole.
Is this really?
No. Okay, we're going in to take Santa photos. Yay. All right, so the kids are in getting their Santa minis with the photographer that we use here in Phoenix. They look so cute in there. I'll have a couple photos to tag on, but her photos are always amazing. And this is the first time actually that Liv has met Santa. And obviously Isaiah's first time too. So he was crying initially, but I walked out and he stopped crying. So I'm just sitting outside. The minis are only 15 minutes. So how did it go?
Good. I did really good.
You did.
Sometimes learn this.
What is that?
A Christmas tree lollipop.
Yeah.
Look. That's a dollhouse.
You asked for a dollhouse?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. What else did you ask for?
Just only that.
Just a dollhouse?
Yeah.
Nice.
I did one present.
You didn't want presents?
Yes, I did. I wanted a dog, a snowman. I can have something. That's ice cream.
All right, so we are back home. We're getting ready to put some frozen sheets on Liv's bed. I was getting the kids Christmas bedding and I showed her a couple options and she didn't want either of them. She wanted Frozen, the Disney character movie Frozen is what she wanted for her holiday sheets. And so she is so excited to get them on her bed. We're getting them out of the dryer and putting them on her bed. So this is exciting. So here it is. She wanted her comforter here up top. So there it is. I bought this at Target, actually on sale. All right, so here is Isaiah's bedding. I purchased the fleece blanket from JCPenney actually, and I think it ended up being maybe like $5.99. They had a sale on them and then additional 20% off or something, and that was recent, so I just bought that and it just came in the mail maybe yesterday, which was Friday. I purchased his sheets off Amazon and we'll put this buffalo check one on here to match, but those were inexpensive as well off Amazon, so I hit the jackpot this week. Is it up there?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you. Thanks for helping me. You like your bed, pal?
Daddy holds his with his tooth. Ah! He wanna pass the sweep. His Mommy was sleeping with him. Let's go down. 10 little piglets. Very tight. One stopped at the piglet side. Mother dog, a horse, a sheep. Mama! Mama!
All right, so the kids last that you saw were playing in their room, or in Olivia's room. I actually went and got my hair cut and colored. And so now I'm back home and we're back to playing upstairs. I'm putting some clothes away, doing laundry, all that fun weekend stuff.
Sorry for playing laundry too.
Absolutely.
Because I'm really great at folding.
You're so good at folding. You want to help me? Yeah? Okay.
I'm folding clothes. And socks. And yeah, here's your sock. They cannot help me because you're not a good folder. You're a good messy. See?
So Derek, the Auburn game just ended. I believe they won. Derek ran to Target real quick to grab a couple things, and then Liv is working on some art projects, which we'll show you here, and I'm working on the kids' dinner. I picked up Mad Greens, which is a place here in town for Derek and I. He got a bowl and I got a wrap. And the kids are having mac and cheese, and they think hot dogs.
A story about Super Mom and Daddy?
Yes, absolutely.
One day, Super Mom and Daddy on the way to their workshop. But suddenly, a shark followed them. And then,
Oh my.
and guess what?
So, can you tell me which one's mommy and which one's daddy?
The purple one's daddy and the orange one is mommy.
Oh.
You want me to call me Isaiah?
Yes, please.
Okay.
What are you doing with your art project, pal?
Huh.
Oh, yeah? Oh.
Mom, I'm playing a puppet show.
Oh, yeah? Can you show me your puppet show?
I'm starting to pet her leg, Mommy.
Okay.
Hello, I'm Mr. Daddy. Hey, that's me again. Oh, shit. I'm doing my puppet show. Gonna do you Super Zane. No. Ready for me. This pick up people. Super Webby was behind me. And Blower was behind me. And everybody just looked at their house. Yeah, we have to call Bunny now.
Oh, Bunny?
Yeah, we better call her.
Oh.
Bunny were here. They are taking a plane. And they said together, why do we have to? Because they send us the plane. Maybe. Because we like them. Bunny, come on. Come play. That's time for me to go play with Livy.
Can you tell me who's who?
Okay. We're going to go get the house. Can we come with us? House.
How's dinner, pal? Hot. All right, as I was saying before, the puppet show just continues to go on and on. So we'll end this video right here. Next week is Thanksgiving, or this coming week is Thanksgiving, and we don't have any plans other than just staying home for the weekend. I'm not sure what we're doing. We don't have any plans either. We do have family pictures out in Gilbert on Saturday morning. Other than that, we don't have anything planned. So we wish everybody a very happy and healthy Thanksgiving. And we hope all of you get to spend time with your friends and family and whoever that may be. I know we miss ours. And so we hope everybody is healthy and safe. All right, take care. Remember to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and share.